The protest of Citizenship Amendment Act has been continuously in the state of Northeast. Even the student from Nagaland has not left behind. On the 17th December, the student of National Institute of Technology from Nagaland raised their voice against the Citizenship Amendment Act, immersed a candlelight and paid a tribute to the brother souls who have lost their life during the protest of Citizenship Amendment Act.
We oppose
CAA,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast, Northeast,
save
Northeast,
we oppose
CAA,
we oppose
CAA,
we oppose
CAA,
we oppose
CAA,
save
Northeast,
we oppose
CAA,
we oppose
CAA,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast,
we oppose
CAA,
we oppose
CAA,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast.
Now the main issue is, our issue is not Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, any religion. Our issue is to just save our own community, own tribe, our own culture.
we oppose
CAA,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast,
save
Northeast,
CAA हटाओ
Northeast बचाओ,
CAA हटाओ
Northeast बचाओ,
CAA हटाओ
Northeast बचाओ.
जय हिंद